Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 11th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You're looking here at the Dow, and the Dow is just going crazy here. Opened a little higher and then just shot up here first 15 minutes, and it looks like 2 or 3 bars during the day. It actually exceeded 35,500. Pulled back a little here on the close, but this is still, um, excuse me, this is still way above the previous high. So again, we have an all-time record high in the Dow. Um, this thing is just screaming. I'll show you the long-term chart. You can see here, uh, this was today's close, and you can see that this is substantially higher than those previous all-time highs back at the beginning of May. So this thing is definitely, you know, penetrating this new territory with some conviction right now. So you might, oh, excuse me, yeah, I still have this, what is now just like a bad cold, but it's nothing serious anymore. Um, so you might think, yeah, uh, we have a decent day today. Well, decent is kind of like breaking even now. That's kind of what happened. We had 8 positions coming into today. We were negative $1,400 on the close yesterday. We closed those out with positive 11,000 and some change today. And that sounds pretty good, but it's really not so hot when I show you one of the trades we had today. Um, what is disturbing, not only that is a little disturbing to me, but what's really disturbing to me, we get into 4 positions today. None are positive, 4 negative. The screen's all red, and with only 4 positions were negative over $10,000. You know, so yeah, we got positive 11,000 for closeout and negative 10,000 for open trade. So you could say, hey, maybe even made a little money, but listen, I'm tired of seeing those all red screens, and those all red screens don't get better tomorrow. That's the biggest problem. Now, I suppose it could surprise me tomorrow, but I'm not expecting it. I'm expecting, that those all red screens are going to be a lot worse tomorrow, and it just is tearing down our equity like you wouldn't believe. My equity, yours if you're trading this, and it's happening on this thing when the overall market is just going higher and higher. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me at all. I am kind of rushing through this today, get this posted, and I'm going to work, if necessary, to midnight tonight, constructing a new portfolio, which I can get out to customers this coming weekend. Um, and I don't know that that's going to solve the problem. But I got to try something. This is just ridiculous. We're getting hammered every single day, day after day. And I'll show you here. Let me show you. We had a fantastic, almost perfect outlier trade today. And this is what is so disturbing to me. Yeah, we're having a lousy day on a day that we had this great trade. And I forgot to write this down. This is Orphazyme, ORPH. And we got into this yesterday, third hour. Went way the hell up here, and then it pulled back. And if you saw the video yesterday, I was complaining all over the place about this pullback. Well, look at this. It gapped up. It went significantly higher for our exit here. And we took $21,000 out of Orphazyme. Absolutely fantastic trade. This is a perfect trade. It's an outlier and it's a perfect trade. After we get out, we basically took the high of the move out of this right here, because afterwards it just tailed off. So this is fantastic. Perfect trade in Orphazyme. And it's an outlier. But on the day we get a $21,000 outlier perfect trade in Orphazyme, we're just having kind of a half-ass day. And the reason for this is the large majority of our trades are still negative. And even when on a day we get one of these fantastic trades, it's not offsetting all these negative trades we're getting. I've just seen, like we're, it seems like 60, 70, 80% of our trades are negative. So I'm going to try and correct that with a change of portfolios, but I'm just, to me, it's something that's going on with this rising overall market and us getting crushed in almost everything we do, and I suspect that this cuts across more markets than just what we're trading. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll take a look at it tonight, work to midnight if I have to, and we'll just see what happens. So, yeah, what can I say? I can't say anything. I'm very disappointed. I'm upset. I'm really upset when things are happening and I just don't understand. Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.